Mastering Your Internet, a guide to router configuration. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for anyone using the internet: router configuration. Understanding this can enhance your online experience, making it smoother and more secure. Whether you're studying, working, or just browsing, knowing how to manage your router is key. So, let's get started and unravel the mysteries of router configuration together. A router is a powerful device that connects multiple networks and directs internet traffic between them. It acts as a dispatcher, deciding the best route for your data to travel across the internet. This is crucial for accessing websites, sending emails, and streaming videos. Think of it as the heart of your home or office network, pumping data to where it needs to go. Configuring your router is essential for two main reasons: security and performance. Security. An unconfigured router can be an open door for cyber attacks. By configuring it, you're installing a strong lock on that door, protecting your network from unauthorized access and threats. Performance. Proper configuration helps manage your network's traffic effectively. It ensures that your internet speed is optimized, reducing lag and buffering during your online activities. 1. Accessing the router. You usually do this through a web browser, using the router's IP address. It's like entering the address of a website but for your router's control panel. 2. Changing the default login information. The first step in securing your router is to change the default username and password. This prevents others from easily accessing your router settings. 3. Updating firmware. Firmware is the software that runs your router. Manufacturers release updates to improve performance and security. Keeping your router updated is crucial. 4. Setting up Wi-Fi networks. This includes naming your network, SSID, and setting a strong password. You might also want to set up a guest network for visitors to keep your main network secure. 5. Parental controls and device prioritization. These features allow you to control internet access on your network and prioritize bandwidth for critical activities, ensuring a smoother online experience. We hope this guide has shed some light on the importance of router configuration and how you can take charge of your internet experience. Remember, taking a little time to configure your router can lead to a significant improvement in your network's security and performance. Thank you for watching, and happy configuring!